We are at the Main Man-Powered Elevator at Leominster Hospital. It is a Thyssen. It replaces the original Otis Man-Powered Elevator, as it did not serve all the floors that it does now. As you can see, we're on B. These are your fixtures, and it's a traction. Let's go for a ride. Pretty fast. It's practically circular. And here we are at the top. There's the hospital. Those all used to be patient rooms. Now they're doctors' offices. And that's the 1930s edition. Behind that is the original 1922 hospital. I've mistakenly referred to it as a 1912. And M is surgery. Let's go back down. Just like the Thyssen elevators, you don't hear the motor. And here we are. I don't get the handrail in the... And here's B. And that's this man-powered elevator, the main one. Let's take a look up. There it is, in all its glory. That was a 2001 install of a Thyssen Man-Powered Elevator. Hope you enjoyed it.